what I have here today
is this thingy. I moved my room because these were falling off. What do you think this is? Do you think these guys are takoyaki? Yeah, you're right. These are mini takoyaki snack. Oh, how can I? It's hard to eat. Yes. But this is really not takoyaki, but this is only snacks that look takoyaki, which my sister brought from Osaka takoyaki. Kari kari, crunchy, yeah. Crunchy, whichever, I don't know. Marude homono, looks like real. Takoyaki tore iri, 24 pieces. So these are really not takoyaki, but kind of snack that also tastes like takoyaki. Oh, and nothing inside. This is interesting. Yeah, and only small. Oh, yeah, nothing inside. I just broke it. Interesting taste. The weird taste, actually. That's it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.